how to trim and edit your video after uploading to your YouTube channel. First thing you have to do, guys, go here, click on YouTube Studio, and now here on this page click on content and choose the video that you want to trim. I'm gonna choose this one. Click on details and go here, click on editor right here, and now go to the first option, trim, and click here. Now trim the part that you want. As you can see, I'm gonna trim, for example, let's say this part right here, and now click on split and everything is gonna be done. After you finish, click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.